Hello, hello, hello. What's good, everybody? Welcome to DOD, the ultimate live stream for trading in the game. What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo, yo, yo. What's good, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. Top of the day. What's good? What's good? What's good?
Morning, Jdun.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Doing good.
Good. Perfect. Let's go.
How's your morning?
It's great. I'm ready to rock and roll today. Ready to make some money this week.
It's led down by the Broncos, huh?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to pull it off.
What is going on? TikTok Live. It's your boy Jdun Trades. This is not financial advice. This is simulated trading. This is an authentic and integrity-filled live on January 26, 2026. And again, this is not financial advice. This is simulated trading. I'm 29 years old, and we're just sitting here having fun. What's good, everybody on the lives? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's up? Yeah, my Broncos, man. Bro, New England didn't even win that game. We just lost. Like, we literally lost ourselves that game. If we'd had Bo Nix, man. I'm salty. But now we're all Seahawks fans. As long as the Rams didn't win, I was cool. And now we can all band together against the Patriots. That's what we can do. That's how we can find some common ground. That weather was crazy. I was there. Bro, the defense killed it. What is Sean Payton doing? For one, going for it on that fourth down, and and not kicking the field goal, and for two, especially with a backup quarterback, and for two, why are you running a play action boot on 4th and inches? What? Just tush push. Just tush push. Like, why are you passing? What are you doing? I don't know. Sean Payton's losing it sometimes. I mean, they put together a great defense. I'll give it to him. The offense shows dopamine over discipline. That's for sure. That is for sure. I know we're going to the Super Bowl next year. Take it to the bank. To all my Patriots fans, Rashid Shaheed is going to take you guys to town. Bro goes hard. As a reminder, what's good, everybody on the YT and everybody on the TikTok Live? This is simulated trading. This is not financial advice. This is a real-time live by Addis Team Bull Trading. It's your boy Pay Done here. Appreciate all y'all being here and hitting that like button. Appreciate y'all tapping that screen over and over. And if you're on the YT, appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. Hey, I'm living vicariously through the Seahawks. That's all that matters. That's how I'm rocking. I've always loved the Seahawks. Didn't you know that? Always been a Seahawks fan. All right. Let's see what we can get today, fellas. See if we can get ourselves a nice, healthy, beautiful winner. It's the 20th. It's almost the end of January. That's crazy. It's honestly pretty crazy. Time's moving. There we go. All right. The curse of Mondays is over. We're having a green day today. That's facts. That is big facts. That is absolutely 100% factual. Speaking it to existence. Go. How's the East Coast doing? Any of y'all get a bunch of snow where you're at? Any of you guys get dumped on? Didn't seem like it was quite as bad as they kind of made it sound like in the news it might be. $16 inches is crazy. Almost 18 inches in Bloomington, Indiana. That is bananas. That's bananas. 8 inches in Oklahoma. I don't think Nebraska got much either. Good morning, everybody. As a reminder, we will be trading this week on futures primarily and potentially some options. So if you guys want to get a futures account, if you guys want to trade the NASDAQ with me, I recommend as a beginner-friendly account, you guys go to Tradeify, get yourself a select 50K. It's 30% off. I need to change my YT. There we go. I recommend the Tradeify Select 50K account. Select. I recommend the 50K on that account. You get daily payouts when you pass too, which is great. 3-day eval versus Take Profit Traders 5-day eval. You guys can use code Jdun. I appreciate you guys' support, and I'll always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid, and choose DOD. Choose DOD this week, everybody. It's time.
Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Jdun.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good, and you?
Good, man. Just chilling. Hold on. Let's see. We got 7 more minutes. 7 minutes till we open up this market, baby. Seven minutos. As a reminder, everybody, you guys need to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused today. To the TikTok, this is not financial advice. This is simulated trading. This is on authentic and real-time live. Let's go. Oh, let's see here. Hey, you know what? For a backup quarterback and some bullshit BS playing calling, we'll take it. I'm still salty with my Broncos. What are the stages? Let's see here. All right, so the stages of grief are shock and disbelief, then denial, then anger, then bargaining, then guilt, depression, and acceptance. I'm probably in the 3, the anger phase. That's probably where we're sitting right now. We'll see if we can work towards bargaining tomorrow. I think that's where we're at the moment. Yep. It's tough. It's tough for sure. Yeah, I don't know why we wouldn't. That backwards pass was ridiculous. The only touchdown they scored was on that BS when they got the ball at the 10-yard line. Like, what? All right, we got 3 minutes, y'all. We got 3 minutes, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and let's choose DOD today. Come on.
Well, my main watch this morning's trend above this pre-market
Yeah.
high.
Yep, let's get it.
To a couple of setups we had last week.
I'm with it. The trend is your friend.
Trying to reject this hourly supply, but I like the upside much better as of right now.
Hopefully we can get a few nice setups this week.
Yeah, hopefully we have a week like we did last week.
Keep a nice streak intact.
Hey, Bull, did you all read my channel? Put out the weekly brief.
I'll be right back, everybody.
Definitely worth the
I'll be right back.
read if you haven't already. Big earnings this week. Probably have to see a lot of gap ups, gap downs, during the open, and some crazy moves. So let's see. Market open.
Boom. I got my banana. We're ready to make some money. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Banana.
Market's open.
Banana boys here. Banana. Let's get it. Let's make some money today. Here we go. Market's open, everybody. Let's get it. Oh, we have FOMC this week, too. Just realized that. Let's see what data we have today.
There's divergence and VIX confirming, so definitely no loans right now.
(1-26) through 1-30. Today we have no data. Tomorrow we have consumer confidence at 10, and then Wednesday we have FOMC. So we could see a little chop heading into FOMC. We will see. It's always on the table on weeks that we do have FOMC. I'm not going to count on it, but definitely could happen. Oh, whoops. Okay.
See if we can keep the win streak going this week.
I would appreciate that very much. I would very much so appreciate that. All right, we got our pre-market high and low in. Wait, a little higher. There we go. Let's get it.
Do I hear you eating a banana over there?
No,
No.
couldn't be me. You're banana boy. So one banger trade today. That's it. That's all we need. One good trade. Get that? We're good. I use EdgeClear too. EdgeClear is good as well. Amp. I think for beginners though, Tradeovate's the best. It's also the cheapest margin requirements, which is a good thing for you guys. I'm in no trades, guys. I'm in no trades. I don't trade the first 15, 20 minutes.
I'm watching shows probably below 71.
I do not trade the first 15 to 20 minutes. Paydon's coming. Gene's on the way, so Paydon is not here yet. Paydon, however, is on the way. He'll be here shortly.
Getting some big divergences in this morning, so be careful, everyone. Let's let this settle. Massive earnings week.
Really? Who's all reporting?
Let me pull up my read here.
Tesla's having a rough start to the day.
More Magnificent 7 stocks report this week. Microsoft.
Tesla on Wednesday too?
Tesla, yeah.
That's what someone just said.
Visa. Tons of big earnings this week.
Interesting. Now stay patient, guys. As a reminder, I don't trade the first 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, and wait for my A+ setup. If we get it, I'll take it. If we don't get it, I don't trade. It's as simple as that. I'm a day trader, not a trade everyday trader. Oof. Well, guys, now that my Broncos are out of the playoffs, I am a Seahawks fan, I'm a Nuggets fan, and I'm a Nebraska basketball fan. 20-0, baby. Number 7 in the country going into Michigan. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. You know, we'll take it. We'll take what we can get. Dude, Zoe, what was that coaching, bro? Why would we not take the field goal? Why Lutz is great all year, misses 2 field goals too. 2 field goals that he takes. And what was that backwards pass? Like, what? Man, I was so sad. So sad. I was such a salty boy. I was such a salty boy. But it's all right. We're going to find ourselves some winning trades, and we'll win the Super Bowl of trading every day. The script writers were cooking. The GT2 RS is nasty. It is nasty. I'll tell you that much. All right. No trades for me yet. I seen someone's license plate that said dopamine the other day. I was about to wait by their car. Said, listen, we need to chat. We need to chit chat. We need to have a talk, Mr. Dopamine. That's funny, you know, it's called the Widowmaker. I was looking at some Porsches. I just think we got to graduate from being the Lambo guy. I love Lambos. It's time to get and move to something that's going to hold its value real well. And I actually appreciate a lot of those specialty cars keep the miles low.
Jdun, I was going to ask you, I'm not joking either. Like, do you fit in that car well that you're getting, or that you're looking at, or whatever?
I can fit in pretty much any car I said, and it's a matter of if I want to be comfortable or not.
That's what I was wondering.
Let's see. You forget when you're 6'7", you go from how much do I enjoy driving this versus am I comfortable? I'm comfortable in my Honda. I enjoy driving fast supercars and fast cars. Yep, that's literally me. I'm comfortable in my truck. I love my truck. I can only hate them. All right, guys, no trades for me yet. Still just watching. Nothing's confirmed on individual names.
I'm not convinced on this move up yet.
Oh, Gene's here.
Bearish divergence here, so.
Housekeeping.
What's up, bro? Thank you, sir. Uh-oh. Pay done has arrived. Pay done's here. Hello. You know what? We're getting out the DOD cup, too.
We go to 750 probably.
We're getting out the DOD cup, too, baby. Come on now. What's up, Tyler? Hey, bro, you going to Max's event this coming week? I'm gonna be in Miami on Thursday, bro. I'm coming to Miami this week. This week, bro. This week. In a few days. I better see your ass, or I'm gonna come find you. Yes, let's go. It's coming, baby. Time's ticking. I'm coming on Thursday. I don't know what time, but at some point. Definitely not me procrastinating and booking my flight last minute. That would never be me. I just don't remember what time my flight's at. I totally have it booked. I totally have my hotel booked. I totally am not waiting to the last minute to book everything. Definitely couldn't be me there. No way. We're just gonna spa day, eat steak, and listen to Mike. That's facts. That's facts. I look hungover. Well, mentally, I probably am. I don't drink, dog. Oh, I know. If Nick's was there, bro, man. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, though. All right. Oh, whoops. All right. Okay. Let's see if they'll give us something, anything at all. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't see anything from the higher time frames. I don't see anything in the lower time frames as of now. It's only been 13 minutes, but I really hope we don't get the Widowmakers. Nice, bro. That's what they call the GT2RS, is the Widowmaker. It's so fast. That's what they call it. The profits alone. Dude, silver is ripping. I went up to freaking
No, silver.
You love silver?
Yes,
It's your favorite?
my favorite.
That's your bae. Don't let your wife hear that. She'll be mad at you.
Okay, silver makes everybody happy.
Never needed any reason for me to stay in this trade. Yeah, gold's ripping too.
Okay, so I was expecting a retracement to $7.50 McDonald's. Didn't happen, so now I'll be probably watching.
All right, 15-minute range is in. 15-minute range is in. Let's see what we get. We have a staggered pre-market high, pre-market low with our 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Just going to wait patiently to see if we get some sort of trend. Any sort of trend.
Yeah, I'm getting my screen share set back up right now.
I'm going to share my screen right now. I'm using my tablet. I'm still on my phone.
All right, baby. Yep, I won't have screen share on Friday this week. I will be in Miami. Well, if we have any Team Bull members in Miami, might be hosting a private Team Bull dinner as well. So keep your noties on if you're in the Miami or that area and willing to drive there. And you want to meet myself and experience DOD in the flesh, we'll be down there this weekend. So maybe hosting a private dinner of some sorts for my Miami fam. To be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Miami. I like it for 2-3 days. That's about it. It's about as far as Miami goes for me. As a reminder to the TikTok live, I am live on YT as well. The U to the tube. Full screen share. If you look up Jdun Trades, you'll find it. I want to build our audience here to the biggest in the game. We have been growing. But we need more. How can you not grow? When you come on, win trades every day, focus on the process. Ho, 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 ho. You're right. I forgot the poll today. I just realized that wasn't up. Usually the YouTube fam has pretty good bias. Let's see what y'all think. All right, polls up. Polls up. Let's see what y'all think. See which way you guys think the market's heading. All right. See how this candle closes. Still nothing for me yet, guys. Still nothing. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? Let me get more water. Come say hi to everybody, Mr. Gene.
What's up, guys?
Is anybody in the trade?
Okay.
I'm starting some M&Q shorts, everyone here, light size.
Grizzly tried the shorts, guys.
Just a light size. This could fail. I'm going to keep my stop at 834 here. My average is 810. If it pushes above this, it's going to watch this 15-minute range. $835 is my stop, everyone. I wanted my average to be 815. Uh, 770 is one of my price targets, one of control around that area. Yeah, 815 is a great average for this trade. Just don't go heavy. FOMC and big earnings all in 1 week. I have a hard stop in at 835, everyone. Like it's going to try to get her stop here. I will stop
was
out.
talking-
I said no averaging down, no holding for hold.
I was talking
It will
to
be out.
AD out there. Oh, what's up? What'd I miss?
Right, I took a
Oh.
long trade to hit my stop.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, usually I walk away and things go in people's favor, so that's an anomaly. No trades for your boy yet. Just waiting.
Lost. I lost $520 on that trade.
Well, I hear Burger King's hiring.
I was going to work anywhere. It'd be Wendy's or McDonald's. Taco Bell, maybe.
Let's see here. YouTube Familia. We got over 1,000 people in here, which I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I want you guys all to choose discipline over dopamine. Let's get these likes up to 200, guys. We got 130 likes right now. We got 70 more winners in here. I know at a minimum of 70 more. Hopefully we can get like 250, 300. But come on, hit that thumbs up button. Let's go. Let's choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe. Live a DOD life. DOD trading. Another high volume candle with a wick failing the 15-minute high. But no entry for me. So, oh. Waffle House. I've actually never had Waffle House. Fun fact.
Candle pushed to 840. I had 10 MNQ on my personal entry.
Let's see. Where is the... I actually would look for... If we pulled back to like 750, I'd potentially try some longs on a pullback too, around pre-market high. We'd be right around that 50% retracement too, so it could be an option. Definitely could be an option. As a reminder, guys, I don't slam trades left and right. I use a system called DOD, which stands for discipline over dopamine. I trade smart, I trade safe, and I wait for my A+ setups to confirm. Hey, 550, let's go. As a reminder, too, if you're on the TikTok live, I'm live on the U to the Tube, too. Full screen share. You can see all my levels. Come join us over there. Open up your app and come join the community here. Still nothing. Still just waiting. Nothing on my individual names as well. Let's see, pre-market high. Yep. You guys can get funded with code Jdun, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, Funded Next, or Apex. With Jdun as the best discount and payout protection. I got you. I appreciate y'all supporting more than you know. I always appreciate y'all's support. Hopefully you guys live a DOD life. Trade smart, trade safe, then execute in each and every morning. Each and every morning that you get up and trade, you treat it like your business. You try to grow your business every day. Don't bleed. Staying patient, guys. Staying very patient. So we closed above the 15-minute high, but lowering volume and lots of wick. No trade for me. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, it could be a slow week leading up to FOMC as well. I'm not gonna count that out. I mean, we could get volatility in the next 5 minutes type deal, right? But I'm not going to count out the idea that it could be a very slow morning or a slow price action until we get FOMC out of the way. You know, honestly, two of my favorite trading days are FOMC weeks, the days after we have FOMC meeting. Hopefully we don't just get this all day. If we get this slow grind up all day, that is my least profitable type of trading day. Least profitable. Oh, well, shit. Can you grab me a napkin, please? A paper towel, please. All right. Morning is going good, guys. Colorado Cowboy, I know, bro. Thank you, sir. Spilled a little bit of my coffee. What's up, AD? This market needs to hurry up, man. It's going slow. It's going Franklin speed. Trying to find a banger trade.
Yeah.
Trying to find a heater. Whenever market just goes slowly up like this, no bueno. I want to see it pull back for higher low, enter here to go up, or aggressive move down, and then you catch the lower high, the trend move to move down. When we just slowly go up or slowly go down, no dice. Got to choose DOD, baby. Stay patient. Yep, no news Mondays, too, can be a little slow. So I do all morning, bro. Just wait. I sit here and just watch paint dry.
That's crazy.
Just wait.
Yeah, that's kind of chill though.
Yeah, it's the way to be. Just chill.
You make me making fucking 10 phone calls already
Yep.
and having deals fall through.
Yep. Yeah, silver's going bananas. Yeah, I'm watching the individual names too. I'm watching Tesla. Watching NVIDIA. I'm down for them. AMD, NVIDIA.
How we feeling today?
What's good, Artie? Let's go. Never truly lie up. Truly lie up and collide. Well, that's my boy Austin. He's from Nebraska. That's who I was speaking with. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Staying patient. I always host the homies when they come to town. What you want of this? Something I can turn to.
Guys, I'm getting ready with the shots, but not yet. Nothing by.
Yep, Colorado, Nebraska boy. No, Tesla hasn't given me anything. I'm flipping through like NVIDIA, AMD. Meta's slow. Meta looks like it's ready to break out though. Meta's kind of curling. It's got that it's got that series of higher lows and lower highs. Looks like it wants to break out up or down. I don't love trading Meta though. The cool thing about my strategy is it works on both futures, ETFs, and on individuals. You just trade price action. You just trade price action. That's it. You manage your risk.
Fix your thermostat.
Did you?
Yeah.
What was wrong with it?
You had this a schedule on almost every day where it dropped it down to 58.
So the schedule was what was messing it up.
Yeah, and dropped into the thermostat.
Huh? They must have set that before.
Yeah, or what I'm thinking is the summer. 'Cause it's hot.
Yeah, I didn't do that.
Yeah,
So now it's good.
that's why now it's not cold anymore. I don't have to deal with the coldness.
Bro hates the cold.
Thank you, sure, guys.
Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Oh,
Thank you, sure. My entry was at 832 to 5832.
no trades for me, but Greg is taking NQ shorts. No trades for me. Nothing fits my system yet. Therefore, I am not trading. Turn to somebody I can kiss.
Stop loss is 856.
These Tesla contracts are so expensive. Something just like this.
Trimming some here, guys. Trimming some.
Greg is trimming his shorts that he took. So on the left isn't a fair value gap marked. I mean, it technically is one, but it's the 50% retracement marked. Nice job.
Stop loss upper giving now. Thank you.
Hopefully we can get moved back down to my bounce area, like 750s. That'd be a win.
We are break even at least, guys, just in case. Just in case. Still holding some runners, hoping for the big trade here. Let's see if we can go down to 750.
Dum da dum. Had to close back below that 15-minute high, but again, lower volume. Nothing. No.
Crypto was my answer.
Dum.
Yes, I enter shorts, 832.
Guys, I'm trading the NASDAQ on the left and Tesla on the right.
I think one more there, guys.
I trade the NASDAQ every day.
Still a break even.
The ticker is /NQ.
Move down.
You can always ask, and I'm happy to answer.
Nice trade, Greg.
Thank you, my friend.
I guess I wanted that previous week. We tied Team Pool. I'm not for sure.
Thank you, guys. Okay, trade is close. First screen trade.
That might be the pullback we get right there. We'll see how this candle closes in 2 minutes. What's the low here? 802. If we get an aggressive close here, we can look for a slight pullback for longs with stops below like 802, basically below 800. I don't think that looks horrible. It'd be a trade I'd be willing to start the week off with. Maybe like 827 to 820 entry with like stops below 800. If we get the strong close up here.
Like that, Jdun.
Yeah, it looks decent. I mean,
Well,
you're,
I still got this stupid bearish divergence. I thought the data's all over the place this morning. Or either it's coming into trading view wrong.
Buy another trade.
I'll be daydream. All right, got the strong close. Let's see if we get a pull back down here to 827 area to 820. I see a pullback down to the zone. I don't want to try it up here except have like 40 points of risk and previous highs up there at 850. Or there have like 20, 25 points of risk. Looking for that like 830 to 820 area for longs, guys, as long as we don't take out highs prior. Come on, a little lower. Into 830. All right, guys, starting a piece of longs. Tried on that move down. Tried the long entry like I was planning on. Targeting 850 plus. Hard stops are at 802. I did try the longs on that pullback. I will stop and take a loss under 803. My hard stop is at 802.25. Well, actually, I'm going to move this down to just 800 flat. Setup looks good, though. Had that strong candle up, the retest down. I'd like to see us test these highs here. If we go below that previous candle low. All right, guys, above high a day, I'm going to trim. I'm going to trim above high a day. I'd like to see move to like 860 ideally. I'm going to pop above like 853 up to like 860. I'm not trimming it, though. It's not quite there for me. Good. Move above high day, I will trim. All right, guys. Taking some off. Let's go. That's exactly what I wanted to see, guys. Positions are trim. Moving stops up to break even now, everybody. Below 828. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. Trims are taken. Let's move our stops now up. Come on, baby. Literally textbook setup. That is exactly what we wanted to see. Let's see if we can keep this trend moving up now. Stops are set at 828. Let's see if we can keep this trend up to like ideally like 900. That would be our next price target. Let's go, Team Bull. You thought pay done wasn't going to get you paid in a Monday. You kidding me? I'd like to see more out of this, though. We got our first target of that 860 area. I'd like to see our second target now of 900. I'm going to have my stops moved up now to 828. So we will not let this trade go red. That's at that 15-minute high. I'd like to see us continue up. I told y'all, Mondays are our days now. Mondays are our days now, baby. I would like to see more out of this, though, guys. I'd like to see this give us some more juice. To the Tom Petty as well. Let's go. Come on. We followed the plan. Let's see if it can continue up. Come on. Really nice trade so far, guys. Almost 40 points. Yes, there we go. There we go, Team Bull. 40 points so far. I'd like to see us continue to move up. Come on. Yes, baby. You know what, guys? I'm taking one more trim up here just to be safe. Final stops don't move. Final stops stay at break even. This is what we wanted to see. 50 points so far. This is what we wanted to see, baby. Come on. I couldn't have been more transparent. I literally talked about the trade before it happened. Said this is what we're gonna do. This is my exact plan. Got there and said I was in. I don't know how I could be more transparent. I do my best. I don't know how I could possibly be any more clear or transparent. I don't think it's possible. Let's go. That was fire, huh? Let's go. That was great. You are? All right. While we wait for this trade to play out, let's get some good energy flowing on a Monday, chat. Let's get some good money-making, team mentality energy flowing. If you guys made money on that, how much y'all up this morning? How much y'all paying yourself so far? What are we at? Talk to me. Good energy only, baby. Good energy only. How much y'all up? How much did you guys make on that trade? 2,300, 2,600, 268, 320, 120, 100, $50, 1,500, 865, 320. Let's go. 1,800, 1,200, 160, 450, 408, 7,200, 950. Come on. Team's feasting. We're still moving too, baby. Textbook. Textbook. That is DOD. Right there. That's DOD, baby. You wait for the A+ setup. I mean, the cool thing is it was all marked out, right? So we see here with a 15-minute high, we finally get a confirmation candle, right? That higher volume here with an aggressive candlestick here. We get the retest here. We have our risk defined right here. You guys can see this very clearly on the screen share. So you take the trade, you target highs, your risk is defined in case it doesn't work out, and we get the rip up. That's all it is. Your trading doesn't need to be extremely complicated, right? I could explain this trade to a third grader. And I know that sounds silly, but that's ultimately what you want to focus on, is having a strategy so simple that you can put it into words without confusion. That's what I try to warn you guys about with ICT, aka I can't trade, or whatever you guys call it. Seriously though, it's about having it very simple and effective. Looks like Tesla wants to make a move up too. 440, 438. Thank you, Greg. Let's go. As a reminder, if I have helped you guys make some guala, better your trading, etc., I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. If I helped you guys make some money on that trade, or if you saw people make money on that trade, my only ask actually today costs you $0.00. All I ask is you hit that bell icon here on YouTube and turn your notifications on. If you guys click the bell icon and press all, you won't miss any lives. You won't miss any trades. We're still in this trade. Still got my final runner running. You won't miss any trades. You won't miss any education. So make sure you guys turn those notifications on. That's my only ask. And if you're on the TikTok, head on over to the tube and join us here. We're building the largest trading community here on YouTube. That was cool. Isabella. Stops must be at a minimum of break even. I would say arguably just putting up those previous highs like 853 now. Trailing them up to like 853. That previous high. If you believe in a larger move up and you want to be a holder for the day, you could move your stops up to like where we have them now is 830 or like 840, I guess you could say.
Guys, the next target watching is probably 9 to 5.
Am I going to take another trade?
Yes.
No. I'm
Watching shorts probably below 853.
I'm a one and done type of guy. I like making my money and protecting it. Would a 2-bar be okay? We'll look at volume and you tell me what you think. The only potential 2-bar place would be right here, right? This previous high. It could work, but your volume was decreasing. So, I mean, you could, I guess, try along at this like 850 area, but your stops have to be below like 830. Like your 828, excuse me. I'm not taking that, so just be aware of that. I've been called a lot of things, but never a one and done type of guy.
Hey guys, approaching to 853. Let's see what happens here.
A minute, man.
Important level here. We'll see if we get longs or shorts. Watching right now, press action.
It's thinking about it. That would have been if you wanted a re-entry. I don't love this candle's volume, but the only potential pullback re-entry I see, if you didn't get in, your stops aren't set at break even, whatnot, is in this area. You just have to have your stops right here for potential loss. I'm glad we got paid in the first hour. That's always exciting. Got like 50 plus points out of that. That was awesome. Heartache, Waiting on some beautiful trade to save your account from old ways. You play DOD. Watching out, here we come. All right, guys. Remember, stops must be 8:30 or 8:32 below that candle. Absolute max, like 8:28.
Anyone on trade?
I just have my stop set in this final runner. Besides that, you can take a trade if you like it, though, bro. Please. Good start to the week. No one's in any active trade besides stop set and green. When you were young. Yeah, the Killers are great. It's my type of music. Hey, let's go. Started a trade if I eval today with Jdun. Code, of course, made 537 with paid on assistance. Thank you very much. Who else has a code and is also helping you guys make progress and turning you into a liability for these prop firms? Not many people. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, you guys can use code JDUN. I recommend today the Tradeify 50K Select account. It's 30% off. It's the most beginner-friendly and trader-friendly account in the market right now. I'll post the link in chat right now. There we go. If you're in YouTube chat. Hey, you got groceries today after the trade. That's dope. I appreciate y'all supporting me. I appreciate you guys supporting me. I will always do my best to help support you guys too.
I know we're below the 853. 1 minute, watching 1 minute right now.
Bro, Lucid sucks. I would never recommend that firm ever. Tradeify, Apex, and Alpha Futures are my 3 favorites. I mean, when Project X is working, it's fine. It honestly hasn't had many issues lately. I don't have a partnership with Top Step, but they're one of the OGs. Say hey if you drove your Lambo to your old high school to flexing your teachers. Hell yeah, baby. Say hey if you're a Riri.
Watching price action right now.
On the blimp.
Looking this level 853.
Haters, man.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I just think Tradeify is a better firm. No one. Let's see if we can keep moving up.
855 my entry. Stop loss is at 30. 830.
You take the longs?
Yes.
Yep, I like that too. Stop's still set. If you took that higher low entry, you know that you had the right idea. We see this move up. Now you'd basically, if we close this candle strong, you'd want to move your stops up probably like 840 and target those highs still.
Stop loss 830, guys.
Let's take a trip. As a reminder to the TikTok Live and to the TikTok Live algorithm, this is simulated trading. This is not financial advice. This is a real-time live. My ad is Team Bull Trading, and we're here just hanging out, having fun. I'm 29 years old, almost 30, which is crazy. We are 1 for 1 on the day, too, baby. Come on now. Damn, what a freaking reversal on Tesla. Wow. Unk is crazy. Can't believe I'm almost 30 years old. It's crazy. Few months. Almost 30. Almost dirty 30s. Hmm. If you guys got them, I appreciate seeing y'all post your gains inside the Discord too. I love seeing y'all post your wins. We celebrate each other's wins here. There's people in the industry, a lot of people on the internet in general who want to see you fail, who don't want to see you win. I want to see you win. I want to see everybody win.
I haven't trimmed yet, guys. Still waiting. Stop loss still at 830. Green, a small green, but I haven't trimmed yet. Waiting a little bit more. Now I'm gonna be trimming some. Trimming some, stop loss at break even. Let's go.
Push it, hiya.
Yeah. Come on, keep going. Vamos.
Give them those highs.
Let's see if we can get this daily level 925. To find 925. And there was a 859. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Stop loss over break-even, guys. Let's see if we can get a big trade.
Out of all prop firms, I think that Tradeify is the most beginner friendly right now. I think Apex is the most scalable, and I think Alpha Futures is a nice mix of both. But if you want an account you can get for $100, you can trade live with me as soon as 10 minutes from now. I likely won't take any more trades, but tomorrow, say, click on this link I'm going to post in the comments. Get yourself a Tradeify Select 50K account. It's like $110 after discount with code Jdun. You can trade up to 5 at a time. You can copy trade up to 5 at a time. That being said, copy trading likely wouldn't be for all of you. I want you to be able to pass 1 before you use all your money and try to pass 5 at a time. I say that looking out for you.
First in this trade, guys.
Oof.
At least a break even, please. Don't let it go red. Protect your position.
My edge.
Protect your position.
Protect your position. Woo! Well, what did somebody say? Ashley said, trying to manage the feeling of missed entries when I know it's okay and there will be another opportunity. Logically, sitting out is better than chasing. Absolutely. If you miss today's trade, here's what you tell yourself. You tell yourself, it's okay. The setup's high probability. It's a good systematic setup. It's going to come again. However, if I chase this entry and I lose, it's going to hurt my confidence. It's going to hurt my system as a whole. And it's going to hurt my trading account balance. So you don't chase, you stay patient, you acknowledge what you missed, and you catch it next time. That's it. There's no need for FOMO. Easy peasy, baby. Easy FOMO cure. Remember, market's not ending. You'll catch it next time. It's not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. Why would I teach ICT? Why would you want to learn one of the most complex systems ever? Where respectfully, the person who created it can't even trade live with you. Every time he goes on live stream, respectfully, bro loses. You know? Apparently it works and it's such a great win rate until bro goes live and tries to trade it live and then loses every trade. Just saying. I'm not even a hater. I don't have drama with anybody. I'm just saying that's fact. So, anyway, I prefer simplicity. It's better for all you guys.
The ice trade's over. Another green trade, small one. It's good. You're confirmed. No problem. I think that's the last one today. Price action is very slow today. So no more trades for me, guys. That's it. 2 green trades. I'm gonna stay like this. You make money, you got trade, make your loans. Or previous trade, make your shorts. You make money, show me the heart.
Here, I'm just watching for another trade. No trades. Yeah, other than the one we got stopped out on.
I've seen Gary a little. He seems like a nice guy. And you won't find me hating on anybody. Not even ICT. I think it's complicated. I think it hurts traders, but he's probably a nice guy.
I liked the upside all morning.
He's got a family, you know, wish him the best.
I don't see it at all.
Sorry guys, I'm leaving. No more trades.
See you, dog.
Hey, Greg.
Take care, Jdun. Take care of this.
See you, bro.
See you. Take care, team or family. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hey, I love bro. I love seeing y'all. I love seeing y'all post your gains and tag me. Tag me with DOD. I love that. Makes me so happy seeing those little notifications pop up in the post your gains tab. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. There we go. We get the reversal now. Very strong. With volume confirmation. We waited for the pullback. Entered. Oh, guys, Mondays have been good so far this year. Knock on wood. Fingers crossed. D-O-D. Never went and touched that 15-minute high, guys. Even if it's 1 micro. No reason to stop that. If you wanted to catch the bigger move, you wait till you go back to your entry below that trend-setting candle low right here, and you still target those highs. I'm probably going to stay for, 15 more minutes maybe. Okay, so what I was saying is that whether you took the first trade with me, if you're on screen share, I'm going to explain this. All right, 1 second. If you guys are on the TikTok and you'd like to watch the trade review, I'm doing it on my U to the tube. It's Jdun Trades. So if you want to watch the trade review, open up your app. Come on and watch. Come on over. Give you guys like 15, 20 seconds. That's all it should take. All right. So what I was saying is whether you took that trade with me right here or you took the pullback into those previous highs right here, right? Either setup. I called this one. We talked about this one. I did not take the second one. Still have my
Looking for another trade?
no. I still have my stop set on my final runner on my first trade. It's
Trading MNQ or NQ?
NQ. It's just chilling at 830 or 820, 850. So I'm just waiting. One of these days, I really want to focus on catching some bigger moves in my life. On fundeds, I would never hold like that. Ever. Almost ever. But on the second trade, right, or the first, if you took this first trade here, this pullback to 850, you'd want to have your stops below 830. if you took the first trade with me, your original stop was 80 or 800. You'd want to keep your stop below or at basically at break even below this candle. We don't get there. That's why you keep your hard stop set and you want to target these highs up here. We've held this base. If we reject here and go down, you stop out, right? But you set that hard stop so that it takes the decision making out of it. When you're constantly having to sit there and press and think about it and get anxious and nervous or whatever, it's very hard to manage. Versus when you have the hard stop set, it just becomes automatic. And together. Looks good so far to test those previous highs. See if we can get it. Actually looks really good to take out those previous highs. That's what DOD does, guys. It pays you when you stay patient and you wait. Woo. People were sleeping. Almost did it. We want 900. Crashing in a while. Nobody but myself. There's those highs, baby. There's those highs. Let's see if we can get 900. Let's see if we can get 900. If you guys did take that 850 area right now, let's just say you got filled at 850. There we go. You'd be sitting at over 1.5 R. See if we can crack 900. This is exactly what we wanted, baby.
We're just climbing up on lower volume right now, right?
Yep. Only spot to enter this trade was on that pullback. Besides that, nothing. I have some homies in town, so if we do break up with this 900, I'm going to stop out and just enjoy my day. I'm going to take my final piece off. Ugh. We want 900 plus. That's how you catch. That's how you catch a big old move, baby, right there. That's how you do it. Past 5 traded 5 accounts, 25 fund is down. That's dope. Those daily payout accounts are great. Come on. Let's actually move this up. Now, I'd say at this point, now that we're taking out these highs, it'd be a good idea to move your stops regardless of what trade you're in up to like where you feel comfortable. I'm going to trail my final piece up to 860. If we get above 900, I'm just going to call it. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day with my homies. Make money trading and go hang out with your friends. Go to your career you love. Go hang out with your family. Whatever you want to do. That's why we do this, right? I got to be honest with you guys. Got to be honest with y'all. There may or may not be a new Whipsky coming. I think we've moved on from the Lambo days. Unless I got a great deal like an SVJ Roadster. What do you guys think I'm doing next?
1994 F-150.
I don't know. I will say this is that like you can kind of tell how much people rock with cars from like the social media engagement and just people's comments, bro. Saying if there was a Porsche in the picture, people seem to like Porsches a lot more than they like Lambos. I feel like Porsche has that connotation of like luxury and wealth and, you know, a taste of humbleness, and Lambos are just kind of like nowadays just, I don't know, kind of like rich D-bag sort of. I don't even know how to put it. All the guys running ads saying buy my course with Lambos, ruin Lambos. You know? Maybe I'm tripping saying that, but I think it might be time to change the narrative. People freaking love Porsche. Like I've never seen such a positive cult. Just such a massive following and fan club. It's respectfully so. Honestly, I'll likely not sell my Storado for a very long time. I do love that Lambo. That's so much fun. It's made for driving. Like when I say driving, I mean like driving. The ever. Not a McLaren guy either. Can you explain how to trade with me? You don't understand what the live is for? I call it all my trades in real time. Win, lose, or draw. I call it every trade that I take. You just got to tap in. Hit that subscribe button. One for one on the day. We won. As a reminder, if you guys are trading with Apex, Tradeify, or Alpha Futures, I appreciate you using code Jdun. Also, for all my individual and options traders, you guys can get funded trading options. We've had a lot of traders getting payouts lately with Vanquish. It is a two-bar setup technically. If you guys want to get funded with options trading, I just posted a link in chat you guys can use, and you can use code JDUN for 50% off. Oh, that's fire. Need that, Nigel. That's facts. That's hard, bro. And were you trying to use code JDUN, Rahed? I did take a trade today. Renee, I took a long earlier. If you go watch the recording of the live, you'll see it. It was at 10:15 Eastern time on that pullback right here. If you're on the live watching, we took this trade right here on this pullback. Right here. With stops below this orange line. Let's go, Artie. Good having you back, bro. I love seeing old faces in Team Bull. Oh, that was great. I'm almost 30, guys. I had to start maturing in my purchases. Also, hypothetically speaking, if we did get, say, a GT2 RS, have you seen how well those cars appreciate? People often think that just because the GT3 RS is a higher number, it's more rare or exclusive, and it's actually not. The GT2 RS is faster and it's much more rare. I think that with lower miles, GT2 RSs are gonna, I think in like the next 5 years, if you got a GT2 RS for like $500,000, right, with less than 10K miles, it's gonna be $1 million car one day. Yeah, 3 is more common. Yep. I think that especially as the world goes more EV and goes more hybrid, those naturally aspirated cars are gonna go up a lot in value. They're gonna be good investments. I believe that. The 2s are nasty. Honestly, though, nothing's as nasty as my humble Honda, though. Nothing's as nasty as the HH, the humble Honda. Just spec out the Honda. Let's see here. Goodbye. Well, good morning so far, Team Bull. I'm happy with how things went. As a reminder, if you guys want an invite to my private Discord, there's a paid and a free version. I host 2 free live streams a day. I host a free live stream on TikTok, and I host a free live stream on YouTube. And I also have a paid live stream inside Team Bull, which there's a free tier to as well. But if you'd like access to the Discord, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. That's the only place I answer DMs and questions. One word, Jdun Trades, it's verified. You guys can message me there. If you guys would like an invite to the Discord or you have any questions for me, you can DM me on IG. So, I need that. I need the butterfly doors on the Honda. That'd go crazy. But, all right, y'all. It's a Monday. We made our money. If you guys are still in this trade with me, make sure you guys' stops are set at a minimum of 860. Don't let the trade go red. Trail your stops up as the market moves. And I hope you guys all have a great day, okay? I'm going to get the team. Yep, see you, Grizzly. I'm going to get the Team Bull schedule out after I get off the live for the week. And let's keep choosing DOD. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here. But God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Adios, guys. God bless. Make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. Hit that follow button in the top left corner. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. Make sure to turn your notifications on so you don't miss any lives. Appreciate all y'all on TikTok following too. You get my exact trades every day. 1 for 1 in the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.